In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a private Facebook or Circle group to your course so you can provide your students with an exclusive interactive space to engage and network. Stick around until the end because I'll also share an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using, available only to viewers of my channel. Now, let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about the two platforms we'll focus on, Facebook and Circle. Both are fantastic for building communities around your course. We'll go over how to set them up seamlessly and integrate them into your course platform. If you're going with Facebook, the first step is to create a Facebook group. You want it to be a private group, so only your course members can join. To do this, simply head over to Facebook and click on Create Group. Give it a name, something related to your course, and then select Private for the group's privacy settings. This ensures that only people you invite can see and participate in the group. Next, go into your course platform and look for the option to add an external community. Most course platforms will allow you to link out to an external Facebook group. All you need to do is paste the group's URL, and your students can easily join the group directly from your course platform. Now let's talk about Circle, which is another great platform for building community. If you're using Circle, the process is very similar but a little more straightforward. Circle has built-in community features, making it easy to integrate right within your course platform. To create a Circle group, you'll need to create an account and set up a community. You can customize it with branding, categories, and different discussion threads, which is great for organizing conversations. Once your Circle community is set up, you can simply link it to your course by adding the community link in the course platform. Some course platforms even have Circle integration, so you can embed the community directly inside the course interface. This eliminates the need to jump between platforms and makes the experience smoother for your students. Now here's the key takeaway. Whether you're using Facebook or Circle, adding a private group to your course boosts engagement and creates a space for students to interact, ask questions, and build connections. The integration process is simple, and with the right setup, your community will be up and running in no time. To recap, for Facebook, create a private group, then add the group URL to your course platform. For Circle, create a community on the platform and link it directly to your course or use built-in integrations. Both options are simple and effective ways to build a community around your course. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along with the software we use today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.